Orbiting at 400 kilometers above Earth, the International Space Station represents the height of human innovation and collaboration. But what's it really like to live in orbit? Over the next 10 minutes, we'll take you inside the ISS to explore its history, daily life, groundbreaking science, and its incredible future. The ISS is a triumph of international teamwork. Built by 15 nations including NASA, Roscosmos, JAXA, and ESA, its construction began in 1998. It took over 40 missions and nearly 30 years of planning to assemble this massive structure in orbit. Composed of more than a dozen modules, the ISS is roughly the size of a football field. Its solar panels alone stretch longer than a Boeing 777. From the first module, Zarya, to the latest additions, every piece of the ISS tells a story of persistence, engineering excellence, and vision. Life aboard the ISS is both fascinating and challenging. Astronauts wake up to a strict schedule, 6 days of work, 1 day off, and 16 sunrises and sunsets every 24 hours. Everyday tasks are reinvented in microgravity. Drinking water, it's a matter of catching floating droplets. Eating, food is vacuum-sealed, rehydrated, and carefully managed to prevent crumbs from floating into equipment. Meals become a social time for astronauts to connect, share stories, and unwind, a reminder of life on Earth. Maintaining physical health is crucial. Without gravity, muscles and bones weaken, so astronauts exercise for 2 hours daily, using specialized equipment like resistance machines and treadmills. Even sleep is an adventure. Astronauts strap themselves into pods to avoid floating off while they dream. The ISS is a hub of scientific discovery. Microgravity offers a unique environment for experiments that aren't possible on Earth. Scientists study how plants grow without gravity, providing critical insights for future space missions to the Moon and Mars. Imagine a day when astronauts can grow fresh food on long journeys. Fluid dynamics in space also behave differently, helping researchers design better medical devices and materials for use on Earth. Other experiments focus on biology, including studying how the human body adapts to long-term spaceflight. This research helps protect astronauts' health and could even lead to medical breakthroughs back home. Living in space isn't easy. Equipment malfunctions, radiation exposure, and isolation are just some of the challenges astronauts face. Staying connected to loved ones helps combat loneliness, but every astronaut undergoes rigorous psychological training to prepare for the mental demands of space living. The ISS offers views that no other place can. From vibrant auroras to the shimmering lights of cities at night, the sight of Earth from space is unforgettable. It's a perspective that reminds astronauts and all of us just how precious our planet truly is. The ISS is a stepping stone for the future. NASA and its partners are using the lessons learned here to build lunar bases, explore Mars, and dream even bigger. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the ISS stands as a testament to what humanity can achieve together. The International Space Station isn't just a technological marvel, it's a symbol of unity, exploration, and hope. It shows us that when we work together, we can overcome any challenge, even reaching for the stars. Subscribe to Stellar Science for more incredible stories about space and science.